Now I'm checking, guys, how many hair drop did I made after changing my filament. This is my UV curing light, my curing water, deep water curing process, and a magnetic door. Why a magnetic door? Because it is a magnetic door using a magnet in it. Is it that? Is it that? And this is my 3D printer, and we got still lots of resin in it. My laser engraving machine, my video cam. This is supposed to be my future washroom in my basement, WD-40. And this is my illegal Mars, which is 13 minutes more. Okay, let's go to my finished product. And this is where I put my, this is my small shop, which I got those hobbies of mine, making those lighting fixtures. And again, here's another lighting fixtures that I created from my idea. And these are my finished product. Isopropyl alcohol. I don't need that in my hand. So this product's not cured yet, and this is my water filtered air purifier, and my tools on creating these items. And yeah, after yesterday I already printed, like, how many is this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and another 9, 18, plus another 3 on the coming in, so 21 all in one, all in all. So okay, guys, this is how I spend my self-isolation during these days. So what's yours? Okay, good luck. Bye.